Hi, I'm Jason with Appalachia Group, and first I'd like to thank you guys for um, the awesome work you've done on this presentation. I just want to go over a few little tweaks and adjustments that we want to make on the presentation. First off, is up here we're going to remove the Lenmodo icon, and then secondly, I want to swap where drive.credit is right here. I want to move that over to here and move Lenmodo to the middle on slide 1. On slide 2, I've updated, and now let's use this current presentation that I'm sending over, that I'm calling Deck V2, because I've updated the content on this already. And in doing so, like some of these lines were not properly aligned whenever I downloaded this. So can you confirm that these arrows right here are all centered correctly? And then also, this section right here is about our competitors. So I think that this icon here should have something to do with competition, or show something like that. And then this 1, 2, 3, and 4 up here. I guess let's leave that. That's fine. On slide 3, one of the things I was thinking here, so how we have this laid out for this item, and then for lenders, it kind of looks the same. The lines are all aligned. I just wonder if we should put the spacing greater, and have all for lenders and investors, and have all of these lines meet up the entire way across the slide. This slide here looks good. This slide here, I made some adjustments to this content right here. Just going to confirm that these are all spaced correctly, and if you see any, like up here where consumer experience doesn't reach the entire way across, so we should probably, so I just expanded those from 1.82 to 2, so those have been expanded. But this looks pretty good. This is make sure this is all aligned correctly. In the competitive landscape, I just updated the color. So all 3 of these are part of one fintech solution. So I just updated the colors to be all blue. And let's just make sure that everything's lined up also in here. I also changed this from account servicing to servicing so that it all fit right across here in a uniform manner. This slide, I made some content updates that don't really affect the design. Slide 8, I slid over this content. It was over here before, and I slid it over so that each one lines up underneath the bar. And I also updated some content here. Maybe if we put some kind of like auto dealer related or automotive related icon here in a box, it's about in this area, or put something here. That could be, it's just one suggestion I have, but it's not necessarily required. But I think that we could put some kind of graphic right here. And I've updated this slide as well. Let's just make sure everything's aligned correctly. I added this other risks, removed a couple risks and put them up here, and then changed the number of points in each one of these. I've also moved them around a little bit. And then on the last slide, I've added all 3 logos here. And I did this myself. I'm really not a graphic designer, but I did this myself. So just make sure that this matches or everything seems to work correctly here. And if you can clean it up in any way, go ahead and do so. And again, just throughout the presentation where this Lenmodo icon is on every slide, let's go ahead and just remove that from every one of these slides right here, because we're really representing these three different products as one fintech solution. So that's really all I see. And if you guys see anything else that you can, any way you can make this better, or any suggestions that you have for me, please feel free to give me feedback as well. That's really all that I have. Thank you for your time. Have a great day.